Welcome back, guys. This is another show and brag moment right here. This is the Currie 9-inch rear end for 66 Mustang right here. Let's see what we got. A standard 5 lug. Six. Nice. Right now, there's not, but I also opted out for some U-bowls. The one that they give out is this Spice Gold Kit part number. I've also opted out for some gear oil. This is what they sent out. Let's see, it's without the oil, and this is the fill valve. I went with matte finish, as you can see. In the packet, I also chose to have, so this is the emergency brake lines they give you, all that, some clamps to go with the brake lines. I believe so these are for the brake lines as well. So all this was a set. This was Wood brake lines. Came over performance brake disc brake. This is the part number, the cable kit, brake disc drum. This is a drum brake. And they also have purchase. As you can see, they'll bolt it down the purchase for me right here. Pretty neat. All these boxes.